Hello everyone. In this episode we will act as cupids and make two or more fonts fall in love with each other. Let's learn font pairing and explore where to find it. We have some great resources at the end of the video, so make sure you follow us towards the end. Welcome to Font pairing is essential to spellbind a user in logos, presentations, infographics, and obviously UIs. But how to do it? The goal of font pairing is to choose fonts, usually 2 to 3 at the maximum, that creates contrast in the complementary way. Opposite tends to attract when it comes to human relationships, and this is typically the case with font pairing. For this, you need to follow the two most important rules. Know the basic and experiment with possibilities. Basics: 4 types of fonts. Serif. This here is called serif. Not this one. Sans serif, which means no serif. Clean and deadly, isn't it? Decorative. Put some drizzles of decoration here as well. Script. Handwritten, soothing, Mamma Mia, it flows.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Now you know the basic. Just keep on experimenting, but how? Millions of fonts, thousands of websites, how to choose? Visit FontJoy. With a single click, it would suggest you 3 nice font pairing options. It will randomly shuffle between options until you find the perfect match for your next bang on the project. Bang on, got it? Font combinations library. A font combination library that could be a lifesaver. You see combinations, you get the use cases, full stop. Kill the like button for good design's sake. Font pairing. With trending font pairing and great use cases, they also suggest a good palette to help you in aligning your brand aesthetics. These references would help in creating your next UI projects. Type.io. Mining data of more than 3000 plus sites and references give you a detailed view of font pairing and examples, including the basic CSS below the hood. Isn't it super sneaky? Mixfont. As the landing pages say, 1000 plus fonts and 600,000 plus unique pairings. Just click on start the generator and randomize the font. The best part is to view it in basic UI layouts at the bottom. The best one for the last. Adobe Collections. As music depends on your mood, so does font utility depends on your project. Adobe has cracked it by creating a curated library just to solve the problem. Experts from the industry curate a specific use case font library and it works beautifully. Told you not to miss the last part anyways. We need your support. Do subscribe. Send us your feedback in the comment section below. Be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.